Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at a smart garage door opener. What this basically does is actually makes your garage into a Wi-Fi garage door. So if you have an old style garage door and it's not Wi-Fi enabled, this will do it for you. It also tells you if it's opened or closed, which is the main reason why I got this for the security feature. If I know if the garage door is open or closed, that's the reason. It'll tell you if it's open, it'll tell you when it's closed, and that's really kind of cool. So let's take a look at it. This is not something I wanted to make a long video on, so I'll make it short as possible. So the name of it is called eKyro, is the name of the company that this is from. We'll do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you what's in here. The components is a manual, some hardware, and the actual device itself. So there's not a ton of stuff in here. It's pretty easy to hook up. So stay tuned to that. I want you to just, I have another video I'm going to make actually installing it into my garage. So stay tuned for that. But this is the unboxing of the actual product itself. It's small. It actually looked a lot bigger online, but it's just small. I guess it doesn't have to be too big. And what it's designed to do is to hook up into the leads that go into the garage controller that opens and closes the door, right, which is a red and black wire. And then you have the power source, when usually there's two plugs in a garage door where you want to mount this onto the actual door, the garage door itself, the motor. And you can use all kinds of different, they give you all kinds of accessories with that as well. And I'll show you that in 1 second. Easy to pair, easy to hook up. We'll do that in 1 second. We'll do that here. That way we'll get it all set up. And in here is actually where your sensors are. So think of it as an alarm door for your garage door, but it's not really an alarm, it's just a sensor. So we have contacts here. These are like alarm door contacts. So normally open, normally close, however they have it set up. So when these touch basically are close enough, they'll send the signal saying the door is closed. And when the door opens, they pull away and then sends the signal the door is open. So that's pretty much how that works. So that's pretty simple. So that comes with that. Comes with some little screws. So if you want to mount it to your actual door, you can. So we'll put that to the side. Instruction manual is very easy. You download an app. You just scan it with your phone, which I already did. Here's a little QR code here. Really easy to set up. Now, the only caveat is if you have a newer style garage door like this here that has a learning, basically no leads to it. So you need a special module. So you can go on their site and you can look that up and see what that is. But most garage doors probably won't need that, but it depends how new your garage door is. So I have this type here. It's an old school garage. Basically, 2 leads controls the up and down, and that's pretty much how that works. So this is easy, super simple, and not very complicated at all. And let me just show you what's in this little bag here. So what's in the bag? So you get a couple of 3M double sticky tape adhesives, which is really nice. And these are really good quality. These are not junk, high quality stuff. They definitely incorporated here. So if you want to mount this on the side of your unit, you can, easy enough. If you want to mount the sensors with this, you can, depending. Make sure they're clean and prepped before you use these. So that's what's in here. They give you some wire ties, which is cool. They got 4 of those in here. That's in here. They give you some little tiny little mountings, nails, so you can just mount the wire, which actually fits right on here, as you can see. Then you can just mount that wire to like a ceiling or a piece of wood. You can use that. They give you some little, these are self-adhesive wire management ties, and you just slide these right in here and lock these right here. So these are easy. So you got 4 of those. So they give you everything, and they give you some extra screws and bolts and nuts to use all with these brackets. So if you ever need a bracket for an extension or to do something like this, you can have the bracket to extend it out if it's against the wall. So they give you all different tools and options for this. So that's what's in here. Let's just show you quickly how to pair it up, and I'm going to get this set up. And the next video I'm going to make is actually installing it. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll show you how to do that as well. That's the next video. So just wanted to do a quick unboxing, give you an explanation of what the parts and pieces are. And super simple. I already downloaded the app. It's a really simple app. Let me just get it right here. Okay, so I just plugged it in, and you can see here it's blinking already. So blinking basically is trying to pair to the system. So I'm going to show you how to pair it real quick. It's really easy. You just got to make sure you hook up your Wi-Fi settings. So right here it says add. Oh, it's already adding it right here. So it's reading the signal. You just basically add garage door open. It's simple as that. I'm going to put my password in 1 second. In a few seconds, you can see here it is all set. It says garage door is added. Hit done. And that's pretty much what you have to do. That's all there is to it. You hit the garage door. It's like this. Now you can see the notification. The door is closed. The door has been closed. I'm going to pull it away. Door is now open. It's that simple. Door closed. There's the animation closed. Door open. And the garage door is open, so you can see how it opens up. So that's easy enough to do. So all we have to do basically is install this into the garage and get this to go. When you get the solid light like this here, it connects it. And you can see here, you can get some distance here. Door closed. You don't have to be on top of it. You can be, looks like about a ½ inch away even, and it still connects. A little past that, and boom, it'll send the notification, garage door open. And that's all you have to do. Basically, it's that simple. So we have to do is hook up these 2 leads to the actual controller itself. It sends the signal, opens and closes the door, and that's it. You can use it as Alexa, Google, pretty much everything. So that's what it is. Next video, we're going to show you how to install it actually in my garage itself. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow along. Appreciate your time as always. I'll leave a link down below. This is not a sponsored video. I did purchase this myself. I do own this, and I wanted to put it in for my garage. So this is not a sponsored video. This is just me making the video to show you a little bit about this product. And again, I will leave a link down below in the description. It is an affiliate link that I do get a small commission if you are interested in this product. And so far from what I've seen online, it looks really good. The build is decent, small, compact, and it does exactly so far. So we'll see if it works like it should. And I appreciate it as always. And again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And always, I do appreciate it. And also, there is a super thanks down below. So if I gave you some value and gave you some information that felt valuable to you, I'd appreciate that. You can just send right there, super thanks. Anything I do raise with my channel goes back into the channel and to purchase new things to show you how to do things. And that's what it's about. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next video for the installation.